Hey guys, hope you follow this series. Today we're going to make a sweet spicy barbecue sauce. Hope you enjoy. This recipe uses simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. We're going to start with 2 cups of ketchup, which is the base for most barbecue sauces. Then we're going to add in half a cup of apple cider vinegar. That'll give it that tang. To that, we're going to add a third of a cup of brown sugar. We're going to give that a stir, breaking up all the brown sugar clumps. Quarter cup of honey. And we're going to add a quarter cup of honey. The brown sugar and honey will bring the sweetness that we need. 2 tablespoons of molasses. 2 tablespoons of molasses. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. One tablespoon of your choice of hot sauce. I like sriracha, so that's what we're going to use. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and then 2 tablespoons of onion powder. We're going to add 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. That'll give it that nice smoky flavor. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. And half a teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. The hot sauce, red pepper flakes, and cayenne provide just enough heat to keep things interesting. Add a little salt, about half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice stir. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it starts bubbling, you can reduce heat and let it cook until it thickens. I like to add about a half a stick of butter. Gives it a nice creaminess, a thickness to it, and a richness. Melt the butter and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You can simmer longer if you want, but that will give it enough time to let the flavors meld and thicken. Once the sauce reaches the consistency you like, remove it from the heat, let it cool. It'll continue to thicken as it cools. This sauce is fantastic on ribs, pulled pork, chicken, burgers, and pretty much anything else you can throw on the smoke. It's sweet enough for the whole family to enjoy with just enough kick to keep the barbecue lovers happy. You get the sweetness first, then a bit of heat on the back end. For me, that's a perfect barbecue sauce. Here we're gonna throw it on some pork belly burnt ends. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We got plenty more barbecue sauces, homemade sauces, and desserts. Thanks for hanging out with me.